Welcome back to another tutorial from Gamers Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Royal Match game. So let's get started right away. When you first open up the Royal Match game on your device, you will be asked to clear the first level. As soon as you clear the very first level, the castle will be unlocked and you will have access to the home page. Now all of your progress are saved in your device locally. If you wish to save this progress online, then you will need to sign up and create a new account. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and then tap on Save Your Progress. Here you will have two different options. You can either sign up using your Facebook account or you can use your Google account. Tap on your preferred method and you will then be asked to allow access to the application. Tap on the Continue button to allow this access. And now within a few seconds, you will get a notice letting you know that you have signed in to your account. Tap on the Continue button. And now if you go into Save Your Progress, you will see a Sign Out button inside the sign up method that you have just used. This means that all of your progress will now be saved within your online account and you have successfully signed up. You can now continue to play your game and all of your progress will be saved within this account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Royal Match game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.